You alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn this ingredients into these, and they are going to be amazing, let me tell you. So let's get to it. Let's show you how to make these bad boys. So today we've got sweet peppers, 2 rubs, some cream cheese. I've chopped up as small as I can get them. Alright faff, I must admit, but it's going to add flavour. Peperami. You can do this with chorizo, it's entirely up to you. We've also got some smoked bacon. That's as simple as it gets for the ingredients. We're going to be cooking on the Weber Smokefire. We're going to be using the Grill Academy pellets. So let's get to it, let's get prepping. So I've got this rub, Nick the Greek, from my mate Jason Latham up in Manchester. Good stuff. I'll leave a link to where you can get this rub if you want it in the description down below. So we're going to go with about a teaspoon of the rub. That's that in there. Then we're going to add the whole peperami. As I say, you can use chorizo, it's entirely up to you. Simply, we're just going to mix it up. Try and get that rub throughout the whole mix. You don't want chunks of that rub in there because it's going to be a bit of a kick. Just going to add a little tiny bit more of this rub, just a slight dash. Obviously this rub is like a Greek seasoning. It's very herby, smells awesome. It's going to go well with these sweet peppers. Then we're going to prep the peppers. So slice it in half, nice and even. Spoon out that little bit there. Get the seeds out. Not major important because they're not chilies and they're not going to be hot, but you don't really want to be eating the seeds. And that's it. Just do that to the rest of them. Okay, so now you've got all your sweet peppers prepped. There is a couple of seeds in there, but hey ho. Here comes the fun part. If you're like me and you're using a spoon, you can actually scrape it off the back to get it to go on. Kind of want them fairly level, not heaped, because when you wrap that bacon round, it's going to squeeze it all in. Okay, so now we're going to wrap them in bacon. Try and get them nice and tight. You can use cocktail sticks to hold them together, but I'm going to risk it for a biscuit. That bacon will shrink as it cooks, so hopefully it stays on. I've done them before like this and it has worked, so we'll see. Okay, so now what you do is get one of your favourite rubs, whatever one of your choice. Go nice and high so you can get good coverage. Then spin them over and same again. The higher you go, the more even coverage you get. That's it. So all we're going to do is give them about 5 minutes for that rub to adhere to the bacon, and then we're going to get these on the Weber Smokefire. We're going to be running at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And all you're doing is you're just cooking these till that bacon's how you like it, crispy, however you like your bacon. That's all you're aiming to do. You know, you've got pepperoni in there, doesn't have to be cooked. You can eat that as it is. Cream cheese with the lovely rub, get that bacon cooked and you are good to go. So, see you on the grill, guys. Okay, so we're running at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a little windy and blustery here at the moment, as you can see, but that's not going to stop us. So let's get cracking, let's get these on. Get that lid shut. Okay, so they've been in about 20 minutes. We're just going to turn them because on a pellet smoker that heat is coming up from the bottom up. So we're just going to turn them so they cook evenly. That's all we're doing there. Okay, so we'll give them about another 20 minutes. The bacon's not quite there with the crispiness for me. I mean, they are done now. You could take them out and eat them now, but We're just going to give them about another 20 minutes and then we'll pull them out and see how we did. See you in a bit, guys. If you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. Doesn't cost a penny, absolutely free. Helps us out as a channel massively. Okay, so we've got about 22 minutes aside. Look at the colour on them bad boys. So we're going to get them off, let them cool down a bit before we eat them. Obviously they're red hot, but they are smelling amazing. You can smell that sweetness from the pepper. You just cannot go wrong with that. Awesome little side dish to any barbecue. Right. So these are going to be awesome, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around about 22 minutes aside. Bacon's just about going crispy, spot on. You've got a lot of flavour going on here, super easy to make, as you can see, super simple. Friends are going to love them. Just have them sat to the side as a starter or a side dish, however you see fit to serve them up. Mate, these smell amazing, I've got to say. So let's give them a try. Let's go for the yellow one. Cheers, guys. Yeah, that really works well. That works really well. Chorizo would work better in my opinion, but didn't have any, so I just got a pepperoni out of the fridge, but it still works well. Awesome smoked bacon on the outside, sweetness of the pepper with that filling, you know, that Nick the Greek seasoning really does kick it off as well. Get to making these, they're awesome. As I say, summer in the UK is on its way out, but we still grill all the way through the year. It's got to be done. It's awesome. So guys, if you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. Doesn't cost a penny, absolutely free to subscribe. Helps us out as a channel massively. And remember, go and cook something exceptional. And I'll see you when I see you. Cheers guys, take it easy. Oh mate, do you want some of these, Chris? Mate, can I have another one? God, look at them guys, look at that. Oh, nom nom nom.
Yeah, this is a win.
Oh yes.
That is a win.